Publishing internal modules. Internal modules become reusable only after teams can fetch them consistently. A registry source gives Terraform a stable install address. A version constraint pins the module contract. Pinned contracts prevent silent changes from reaching consumers. A published module exposes variables as its input contract. Consumers pass values through the module block. The module decides how those values shape resources. This separates caller intent from internal implementation. The module resource creates the real AWS object. Input values become controlled metadata. The SSM parameter stores text at low operational costs. The resource address stays inside the module. Outputs publish selected facts from the module. Consumers should not depend on internal resource names. The output becomes a supported read path. Changing internals is safer when outputs remain stable. Publishing changes module reuse from copy-paste to dependency management. The registry records where Terraform can install the module. The consumer records which version Terraform may install. Terraform init installs the selected module package. A new module version should preserve existing inputs. Removing variables breaks callers at plan time. Renaming outputs breaks downstream references. Publishing requires compatibility discipline before release. Internal modules still execute with caller credentials. The module does not own the AWS account. The caller's provider configuration controls authentication and region. Publishing bad module code spreads risk across many workspaces. On the submarine, a shared procedure must be safe before watchstanders repeat it. A bad internal module works the same way. One flawed pattern can spread faster than one flawed command. The root module consumes the published module as a dependency. The caller supplies only supported inputs. The caller reads only supported outputs. This keeps implementation details behind the module boundary.